are going to do is fusioning passionate on right on this nails. It's already a matte finish, so I'm gonna dab just a little bit of the passionate number 1 fusioning. Hey. Oh, thank you. We have Mika hanging out with me. All right, let me see if I get right into this. Doing it the same thing with this. And it doesn't matter where you want to dab. It's gonna turn out. It's really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and getting is Delight. And also keep in mind you can get that in both is fusionings collections or the neon fusioning collections as well. It's cool. It get a little bit of effects of the Delight. This one, you know what? It looks good if you are doing with the neon. I love it. Love the effects from the auroras on the background. So I'm dab couple of them on the first nails and then do the same thing on the second nails. Mika working really hard. She's here with me right now, helping me out. You might see us live at the maybe convention center tomorrow. We are traveling tomorrow to the show and getting ready for the booths. We're excited. We can't wait. So now we're moving on. This is gonna be the bestie for your fusioning to have is blending all the marble looks. So I am in the so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some crystal clears. You don't need a lot. Little go a long way. Just give it a little quick. Just dab it. And keep in mind if you want your veins like a lot of going on with your veining looks, add more. You can dab more of passionate. You can dab more of your delights to wherever. You know, it doesn't have to be just little of the fusioning. You do however you prefer. Yeah. See? Look like Instagram is smaller. Better. It looks really good in person though. It looks dark on your end. So move on the next one. Looks really good in person. Looks like maybe one sometime I watch replays. It looks really good though. Probably just the lightings in the room right now. So dab it outside and then toward to the center or to where is your veins you want it to be. And you know, trust me, you will never go wrong with this. It's so easy to do. All right, so I always have a piece of paper here, so I wipe all the residues off. So then that way I can get my bristles nice and clean without getting contaminated too much with the fusioning. So beautiful. You can add some, I'm gonna add some like a gold lines on it using the golden touch from the gel painting pot. If you have your gel painting in the bottles, you can absolutely use this as well. So I'm gonna add just a little bit to get some veining looks. All right, I'll be right here waiting for you. Right, sorry, I just want to make sure that it's both Instagram and Facebook and Twitch and YouTube can see. So just give it a soft touch, a really, really gentle touch. You don't have to do it too aggressive. All right, that's it. And then now we're gonna flash cure for 30 seconds. Repeat it the same thing with the other nails. It's fun to doing it some like press on. You can able to do it in a way for special event, or you can wear in like a semi-permanent way, and you can just like remove it and then don't have to get like commit to that. So sometimes we're doing on the shows. Do the same thing with this one, and we are going to flash clear for 30 seconds as well. This really high pigment, it's really pigmented, and it's just really thick density, so it's give it really good, it's like golden look, like golden look. All right, so let's move on to that nails. When it finish, we are gonna do some 40 gels. We're gonna put 140 gels and 1 hand-crafted flowers, and then we're gonna add some crystal on it. So that 2 nails. Before that, for the 40 gels, I always finishing with the no wipe top coat. I mean, basically finish, but then you are coating it with the